Bro, what y'all know about this shit right here? What y'all know about this shit right here? Hold on.
You guys, I literally could not make this up. She's hitting the Gwitty on the skis, going down the ski hill, doing the Gwitty.
Chill, bro. What hurts this? What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? No, try. When you curse this.
Screaming in bathroom prank.
Make it stop! Make it stop!
Enough! Enough! Out of my store now, before I call the cops. You have literally 30 seconds to get out of my store.
Wait, no, wait, what? Wait, no, wait. Fuck! I just got mad.
That is not Will Smith.
I didn't think y'all would see that.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. So shine.
Ready, guys? Oh my god.
I see you, okay? I might need you for something. Oh my god, it's one of these shits.
How to say Scooby-Doo with a bad word? The bad word? Yeah. So I want to see their faces. So hold on. Scooby-Doo!
One, two, three. Okay. There.
Computer can't handle the game, so my camera started glitching.
It's got that. It's got that. It's got that. Like you, 'cause you got that.
I fucking hate it.
I fucking hate it, bro.
Luca. Bueno. Piñu. Bueno. Piñu. Bueno.
I can't believe I found this in the street. This thing's sick.
You know, how much money would somebody actually have to pay you to crawl on the floor and bark like a dog?
Excuse me? Are you serious right now?
Now, I've been seeing this kid all over the place. I don't understand why he has a platform. Would you ever answer a question from this guy? Look at his hair. He looks like a f***ing Undertaker. Whoa!
Hey.
You tested positive for COVID?
No, for pregnancy.
Oh, wow. Should we kill it or?
I don't know what's going on, but I ended up with a kid on my shoulders.
Thanks.
I did not think, oh my god, this dude's gonna back into me. This dude just backed into me.
My local Domino's pizza flooded, but stayed open.
Do tema.
One, two, 3.